Hello, yes, we are back with our, don't really know how to say what this is, but it's kind of like just bringing you up to speed, what our plans are, what we've done already, 2019, sit here, let's get into it. So obviously we're starting off with the better car. So starting with my car, right, what have I done? As you can tell by this little Hoover, it's got a new intake. You will see it soon. There is a video coming out of it today. Literally, today, we just serviced it, so that'll be coming out soon. Got a nice little sun strip. Didn't record that because it's pretty pointless. And yeah, it's got some new wind deflectors, got some climate going on here because if you had, I don't know if you know, but if you had Heckos, the Team Hecko ones, yeah, they just fly off when you're doing 100 miles an hour down the motorway in Mexico, obviously. Yeah, but yeah, what are my plans? First things first, I've got in my boot, I've got a JDM EP3, like, yeah, that one, manifold and cap, because it's just a lot more free flowing, and the stock one is just a load of jank. But obviously, I've got the Toyo Sports Mani, and I swapped it out for a standard cap because I didn't really like the noise of the sports cap that much. So yeah, done that, and then I'm just gonna whip that on. But to get that on, I need to get JDM anti-roll bar, so that'll be another video coming up. And then once that's in, a remap. Once that's done, just other like little stuff, like cosmetically wise, I want to get one of them letterbox things for there. Restore the headlights. Oh, there's so much I want to do. Yeah, just like track days. Possibly want to take it on track. All of that good stuff. And later on down the line this year, once I've got a bit more dough in the bank, I will consider the boost options. Turbo supercharge, I don't really know yet because there's so many positives for both and negatives, blah 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 blah. But we'll just see what happens, really. See what happens. I love the car to bits as it is now, and that's not even mapped, so it still puts a smile on my face every time. And now we're at the bootay, my favourite part. In regards to this area, there's not masses I really want to do because it does have quite a nice arse as it is. I want to get a Mugen wing just because it's just a bit bigger. This one's pink anyway, so it looks gash. Don't know if you can see because it's a little bit dark, but it is pink. Just a couple little bits to the rear bumper, just, don't know, get something different, maybe a little diffuser fins or something. Just change shit. Well, obviously, other than stuff I've listed, there's so much more that I do want to do, but this video is going to be like 2 hours long if I list it all. But yeah, just keep your eyes on the channel and it'll all be up. Everything that I do, apart from the sun strip and the wind deflectors, are all recorded on that. So yeah, it'll be a good year. Can't wait.
So what have I done to the Subaru? Not much. I've got some STI ultralights, whether they're real or whether they're reps, don't really know, but
whether they're massive curb brush, doesn't matter.
I've gashed them up a bit. A STI,
it's better,
rear spoiler, which is currently red
and
shit,
spangled.
It needs a decent respray, needs a decent sand down, needs a decent repair job because it has got a slight crack in the front, but you know, got it for 100 quid, can't complain. That will be sprayed black. Plans I've got for 2019 with the Subaru. Had it dynoed on the stock Pro Drive map, it made 271 at the fly, which I was pretty happy with. So I'm happy with the power it makes at the moment, so I'm pretty much going to do cosmetic for the first couple of months. I want to do the STI fog light covers, STI lip, STI scoop, and then that's pretty much it for the visuals. And then it will probably be injectors, boost solenoid, turbo eventually. Maybe possibly look at front mount intercooler if I want to make the power. And then a remap, and it should make around 330, 340 brake, and then I'll probably be really happy with that power figure. It'll be fun indeed. Obviously not just the cars, we've got plenty of plans for 2019. We've got car shows, we've got possibility of track days, plenty more you've got to see, so stay tuned.
So yeah, you guys are up to speed now on what we've done, what our plans are. 2019 is going to be lit AF. So yeah.
We are back, and we're
back for good.
Running smoothly.
Hopefully. hopefully. So yeah, just stay tuned. We're going to be uploading. We're going to try to upload every week and just see how that goes.
Depending on what videos we can record, we're going to try and upload weekly, but if we can't, hope you bear with us.
It's going to be lit.
Hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. Click the bell button so you get with notifications when we upload. That would be helpful for us. And yeah, we hope you enjoy the upcoming videos. We've got a few good ones coming up.
Love you guys.